Hello, everybody. This is Vaishnavi Desai, and today I'm going to be presenting ERA, Emergency Response Assist, along with my teammate Jatin Madan. Meet the ERA team. We have two other team members, Isha Ghiria and Sharvesh Patki. Imagine you're walking through your campus on a bustling Monday morning, birds chirping, students chatting, and the sun shining. Everything seems normal until suddenly a loud noise echoes through the air. Is it construction or something more sinister? This scenario illustrates one of the key issues with campus safety: inadequate real time response. Existing systems often suffer from delays in detecting and responding to emergencies. It's like having a security guard who takes a nap when they should be vigilant. These delays can increase risk to everybody on campus, as help might not arrive in time to prevent harm. Now, picture this: you're in the middle of a lecture when suddenly there is a commotion outside the classroom. Is it a loud group of students or something more serious, like an active shooter? Suddenly, unfortunately, many current safety systems are like one trick pony. They are only programmed to detect specific threats, like unauthorized entry, but they lack the ability to identify other type of emergencies, such as shootings. Let's say an emergency does occur and the campus needs to be evacuated. You receive an alert on your phone instructing you to evacuate, but it's vague and doesn't provide clear guidance on safety exit routes. It's the chaos. People are running in all directions trying to find a way out, but they are confused and disoriented. Without clear and dynamic instructions, evacuations can quickly turn into a dangerous mess, with bottlenecks forming and increasing the risk to everybody involved. Lastly, think about how your campus is constantly evolving. New buildings are constructed, populations grow, and technology advances. But unfortunately, many safety systems aren't designed to keep up with these changes. They're rigid and inflexible, like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. As a result, they quickly become outdated and less effective at keeping this campus safe. In a sense, campus safety isn't just about having the right systems in place, it's about ensuring those systems can adapt and respond effectively to any situation that arises. We, aiming to develop a cutting edge solution, we are aiming to develop a cutting edge emergency response system for campus safety. Let's delve into core components that make ERA not just innovative, but truly transformative. These are pillars that uphold our vision and commitment. Gunshot detection and localization. Our system will quickly detect and pinpoint the location of gunshots, aiding in the rapid response to active shooter situation. Real-time tracker algorithms. By integrating real-time network tracking algorithms, we can monitor and track the movement of individuals during emergencies, enabling targeted assistance and efficient evacuation procedures. Planning escape routes. Using floor plans of university buildings and facilities, our system will calculate and provide the safest exit routes during emergencies like active shooter incidents, fires, or natural disasters. With these features, our system will greatly enhance campus security and safety measures, providing timely assistance and guidance to those in need during critical situations. We've bolstered the scalability and technological power of ERA with the following enhancements: infinitely scalable architecture. ERA's modular design, facilitated by containerization, allows for seamless updates, maintenance, and scaling across various hardware setups. This ensures the system can adapt to the university's evolving needs without disruption. It operates on low power hardware. Designed for energy efficiency, ERA can run on low power hardware, minimizing both energy consumption and operational costs. This makes it suitable for deployment across large campus environments without significant electrical upgrades. Integration with an extensive array of sensors, ERA can incorporate inputs from diverse sensors, enabling customization to meet specific security and safety requirements. Its versatility ensures it can adapt to emerging sensor technologies, keeping the system at the forefront of emergency response. In real world application, the university seamlessly expanded ERA to include new buildings leveraging its modular architecture and user friendly interface. This scalable approach facilitated swift deployment and testing, enhancing situational awareness and contributing to campus safety.
ERA provides a modular approach to campus security as it works with six modules designed to be developed and scaled independently from each other. Our primary module is the user input interface. This module is primarily responsible for gathering all the inputs that we might need from a user. For example, the building floor plans, the acoustic census location, the location for the Wi-Fi access points. And this is also where we handle all of our storage into the databases and everything. Our second module is the network log analyzer. The network logs analyzer is responsible for connecting to the central database that is storing all of the access point logs that are being generated by an organization. This module is basically responsible for analyzing and cleaning all the database logs that we get. The third module that we have is our sensor connectors. This is the most important feature of our ERA system, as this module is responsible for making sure that we can connect to as many sensors as we want to our system, and it can scale independently. This is really helpful as for different organizations, the number of sensors and the type of sensors might differ by a huge proportion. So this module can handle all sorts of variations. The next module that we have is the notification API. Once we have detected that there is an emergency situation, our primary task is to issue a notification to the first responders, as well as issue a notification to the devices in the affected area so that we can basically have a communication with both the teams at the same time. Our next module is the user localization. Once our network logs analyzer gathers the logs from the Wi-Fi access points, our primary task is to start identifying devices present in and around the area and analyzing which users might be connected to those devices. This really helps us identify the number of users in the affected area, provide a approximate location for them as well, and this will be used to find an best escape route, which brings me to our final module, which is the escape route detection module. This module is responsible for creating a safe route for each and every user in the affected area to the nearest exit point or the nearest safest point to that user. So this is our era, a modular approach. So how does ERA stack up to the existing solutions? We did a market research and identified four major solutions that exist right now, which provide a similar solution. And ERA stood out in all three aspects: cost, accuracy, and speed. ERA primarily stood out the most when it came to speed. ERA was almost instantaneous as our module was designed to work on acoustic sensors with a model that gained an accuracy of 99.9% in gunshot detection, as well as accuracy being so high. It led to speed being really high as well for our responses. And the cost of it was the lowest among the competition as well.
Hello everybody, I'm Sharvesh and today I'm going to explain to you how ERA can help you reduce costs for your institution. So there are six different categories where ERA can help you reduce this cost. First is reduction in emergency response time. ERA's advanced detection and real-time tracking significantly reduces the time it takes for first responders to respond to threats and emergencies. Second is operational efficiency. The containerized nature of ERA allows for easy scalability and maintenance, reducing the need for hardware upgrades. Third is resource allocation. ERA's real-time data and analytics allow for more accurate deployment of campus resources, reducing the wastage of these campus resources. Fourth is enhanced safety and security. By providing a safer campus environment, ERA helps institutions maintain their reputation, which in turn increases enrollment and retention of students. Fifth is compliance and grants. ERA's innovative approach to campus safety can help institutions meet and exceed various safety regulations and standards. Sixth is long-term scalability and adaptability. The scalable and flexible architecture of ERA ensures that the system can grow with the institution, aiding future technological advancements and campus extensions.
Hi, I'm Isha Ghiria, and let's talk about some use cases showcasing ERA's impact. Starting off with an active shooter scenario, our acoustic sensors would locate the gunshot and help detect the shooter's exact location. ERA would then alert first responders immediately while also directing users to the nearest safe exit point. This results in a quicker response time and more efficient evacuation. Similarly, if we think of an emergency situation involving fires, smoke detectors would trigger ERA, immediately alerting first responders while helping our users evacuate promptly. Thus, ERA would assist in minimizing injuries while also containing the fire. It would help investors to know that gunshot detection system market is forecasted to grow manifold in the next few years. Era being a modular and low power solution helps in customizing it for different university needs. Thus, investments would further help in customizing our solution to better assist universities across the country. In the current climate, any student would prefer attending universities that take safety seriously. Universities and schools can capitalize on this opportunity as it will lead to reduced incident costs and only have long term financial benefits while they live up to the promise of keeping a safe and nurturing environment for their staff and students. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to creating a safer tomorrow with you.